Hi friends, welcome to Your Buddy. Your Buddy is there for you, always and forever.
Friends, once again, welcome to Your Buddy. I hope that you have watched our previous videos on this series regarding Vedic mathematics. Now, continuing the series, we are sharing how to calculate the square of a number. Vedic mathematics uses a method called duplex to calculate the square of a number. So, what is this duplex? Because whenever you have to calculate the square of a number using Vedic mathematics, you must first know what a duplex is and how to find the duplex of a number. So, duplex is, for example, if I have to find the duplex of one digit at a time, then this is called duplex of A and it is simply A square. For example, if I have to calculate a duplex of 4. 4 is a single digit number. So, duplex of 4. One digit at a time. Duplex of 4 is 4 square, that is 16. Now, what is duplex of AB? 2 digits at a time. If I have to calculate duplex of 24. So, what we have to do? Whenever we have to find the duplex of a single number, just square it and you get your duplex. Whenever you have to find the duplex of two numbers at a time, cross multiply the numbers, means 4 multiplied by 2. Multiply them, 4 into 2, what is this? 8. Now, double this, 2ab. Double this, 8 multiplied by 2 is what? 16. So, you have to first cross multiply them and then you have to multiply the answer by 2. So, duplex of 24 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. So, that is 8 to the 16. So, this is how we calculate duplex. Now, how to calculate the duplex of 3 digits at a time? For example, now, suppose we have to calculate duplex of 731. Say, 731. Now, we have 3 numbers. What we do is, we start from corner to corner. So, these two numbers are taken together. Corner to corner means what I will do is, I will take 7 and 1. Now, what is their duplex? Their duplex is, these are two numbers and it will take this form, 2ab. So, this will be 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1. So, multiply 7 with 1, double it. So, what we have? 14. 7 2s are 40. So, this is how we... Now, we have one number which is remaining over here. And this is only one number. So, whenever we have one number, what do? We do the square. So, this is 3 square is what? 9. Add them. 14 plus 9 is what? 23. So, this is the duplex of 731. So, if you can see, if this is, if I write duplex of A, B, C over here. 7 is A, 3 is B, 1 is C. So, as you can see, 2 AC, twice of AC, and then plus B square. So, twice of AC, first you have to go to twice of AC, which is this 7 multiplied by 1, double it, then you have B square, 3 square. This is exactly what we have done over here. So, if I expand it, and write it correctly for you, just for your understanding purposes. So the duplex is twice 7 multiplied by 1 plus 3 square. If I write it, expand in this form. But this you have to only understand mentally so that you can remember it, and then you have to follow the same logic for calculating duplex of 4-digit numbers and calculating duplex of 5-digit numbers, and this will be explained in a moment. So now let's go and calculate for our 4-digit number. So now duplex of a 4-digit number. How do we calculate that? Duplex of, say, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do we calculate this? So I have already written the formula over here. But how does this formula come? So now, because these are 4 numbers, we start from corner to corner. So when we start from corner to corner, we go like this. So these are 2 numbers. So what do we have? We have twice of 2 multiplied by 5. Plus, now again 2 numbers remain. So 2 numbers remain. So again the same. Twice of multiplication of these two. 3 multiplied by 4. Whenever 2 numbers are there, we have to just multiply them together and then double the answer. So this is it. So if I write it this way now, like I did before, suppose this is D, A, B, C, D. So now corner to corner, double them to AD, and then these two remain plus 2 BC. Isn't this the same? So now you know how we reduced this. So this is the duplex whenever we calculate 4 digits at a time. Now let us take the example of a 5-digit number. So before taking that, let me complete the calculation. What is the duplex of this? The duplex of this is 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and 10 2s are 20, plus 4 3s are 12, and 12 2s are 24. So the answer is 44. So the duplex of 2 3 4 5 is what? It is 44. So now let's calculate, say, the duplex of a 5-digit number. So we can take any random 5-digit number, and let's say we have to calculate duplex of 2 4 3 5 1. Let's say we have to calculate this duplex. Now again, as I told you, start from corner to corner. These are 2 numbers. So what will be the duplex? Twice of their product, twice of 2 multiplied by 1. So we write here twice of 2 multiplied by 1 plus. Now again there are 3. So go like this, multiply twice of, again multiplication of these two because these are 2 numbers, 4 multiplied by 5 plus. Now what happens? This single digit remains, and then we use this. Whenever a single digit remains, we just take its square. So what will be the duplex? It will be 2 into 2, 4 plus 20 into 2, 40 plus 9, 49 plus 4 is 53. So the duplex is 53. So this is how we calculate the duplex. Now for simplification again, let us write A, B, C, D, E. Suppose this is duplex of A, B, C, D, E. You can see that we have, what have we done? We have already written duplex of A, B, C, D, E over there, and we have expanded the form over here. And now I will show you how this is coming. So now how this is coming is, you go from here to here, double it, what it is, 2AE, plus you go from here to here, what is this, 2 twice of BD, plus this single one remains, this single one remains. Now you just have to write the square. So isn't this the same? 2AE plus 2BD plus C square. So this is the duplex. So as I have shown you how I have written this by doing the calculation over here. Now why are we calculating these duplexes? Why are we calculating them? Because this is used to calculate the square of a number. How? Let's see. Now we will go to the real examples and I will show you how we calculate the square of any number using this duplex method. We'll start with a 2-digit number, then we'll go to the 3-digit number, then 4-digit number, and then to a 5-digit number. So let's say we have to calculate square of 24. We have to calculate this. Suppose, so how the answer will come? There is a path and you have to learn that path. So what is the path? The path is like this. First, you calculate in the first step, you calculate the duplex of 4. This is the first step. You calculate the duplex of 4. Then from the right, you start towards left till you cover all the digits. Now, so you now consider these two together, and in the second step, you consider the duplex of 24. Now, we have covered all the digits. So now, leave 4. This is the third step. You calculate the duplex of 2. And when you write these, you will have your answer. Let's see how. Duplex of 4. What is the duplex of 4? Duplex of 4, as I told you, will be 4 square. Means 16. So I write 6 here. I write 1 for carrying forward. Now in step 2, duplex of 24. So 2 numbers cross multiply. 4 2s are 8 and double it. 8 2s are 16. And in 16 you add this one, 17. 16 plus 1 is what? 17. So you get 17, you write 7 here. You write 1 for the carrying forward. Now you have to take only the duplex of 2. Again, duplex of 2 is what? When you have a single digit, it is a square, means 2 square. 2 square is 4. But you add 1, so 5. So this is our answer. 576 is our answer. So now let's take the example of a 3-digit number. In a 3-digit number, what will happen is that, now similarly, what will happen is that, suppose we have to calculate number 240, say 5 square. Let's say we have to calculate the square of 245. Now start from here, start from right. First, in the first step, duplex of 5. Then in the second step, duplex of 45, 2 at a time. Then in the third step, all 3. Duplex of 245. We have covered all the numbers. Now leave 5. Duplex of, we will have 24. All this you have to do mentally. You don't need to write it down or anything. This is just for your understanding purposes. And then leave 4, only the duplex of 2. These are the steps that you have to do. And you will, as you can see, you can just remember them. First 5, then 45, then 245, then leave 5, 24, then leave 4 also, 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we will calculate these mentally. Just write them down here and we'll get our answer. Let's see how. Duplex of 5. This is single, only one number, so 5 square, 25. 2 carried forward. 2 numbers at a time. 4, 5. Duplex of 4, 5. 2 numbers at a time. Just multiply them and then double. 5 4s are 20. Double is 40. Add the 2. 42. 4. Carried forward. 3 at a time. 3 at a time. So now corner to corner. 5 2s are 10. Whenever you do corner to corner, double it. 5 2s are 10. Double is what? 20. And then 4 is the only one remaining. Square it. 16. 20 plus 16 is 36. This 4, 40. 4. So it is all mental. Only 24 remain. 4 2s are 2 remain. Double, cross multiply them. 4 2s are 8. Double them. 16. So 16 is there. 4 is here. Added 20. So 2 carried forward. Now only 2 is here. 2 square is what? 4. Add this to 6. This is our answer. 6 0 0 2 5. So you can do this very quickly, very quickly. You know, and you don't need to remember all this. This is only mental. As I just showed you, this is a very fast process. Now I'll simply calculate very really quickly fast, so that you can see the method working in real time. And as you practice it at your home, practice it more and more, you will become so habitual to the method that you will be able to calculate the square of numbers within seconds. So now, for example, let us calculate the square of 1 3 4 3. Let's suppose this is our number and we have to calculate the square. So you just have to start from the right. So the first step will be duplex of 3. Second step will be come towards the left, take 2 at a time now. 43. Now duplex of 343. Now duplex of, take all 4. 1 3 4 3. Now remove this 3. Duplex of 134. Now remove this 4. Duplex of 13. Remove this 3. Duplex of 1. So these are the steps. You will become habitual. This is mental. 1. Just calculate this. Then these 2 at a time. Then these 3 at a time. Then all 4 at a time. Then drop the 3. These 3 at a time. Drop the 4. These 2 at a time. Drop the 3. Only 1 at a time. So this is how you go. Now let's see how this actually happens. So duplex of 3, square it, 9. Duplex of 43, 4 3s are 12, double it, 12 2s are 24. 4, 2 is carried forward. Duplex of 343, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. And then 4 square. 4 square is what? Because this is the only one remaining, 16. 8 plus 6, 14, and you have 34. Add this to 36. 3. Duplex of 1343. 3 1s are 3. Double it, 6. 4 3s are 12. Double it, 24. What is this? This is 30. So now 30 plus 3, 33. 3 is carried. Now duplex of 134. 4 ones are 4. Double it 8. Now 3 squares are 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 and 3 is 22. Now duplex of 13. So 3 ones are 3 and you have to double it. Means that is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now what happens is only 1 remains and 1 square is 1. So this is our answer. 1803649. So isn't that fast? Using normal multiplication, can you calculate really this fast in exams, in comparative exams, or in your assignments, or even in your homework? Whenever you do work, if you calculate using these methods offer you a lot of time savings. So now let's take one final example of a 5-digit number. I'll keep it simple. Let's say 1 2 3 1 4. Let's say we have to find the square of 1 2 3 1 4. So once again, start from the right. So duplex of 4. I don't think that you now even need any more explanation. You can easily see. Now we'll use duplex of 4, then 14, then 314, 314, 3 at a time, then 2 3 1 4, then 1 2 3 1 4. So then we have covered now all the letters. Now what will we do? Now we will start dropping them. We have covered all. First we start from here, then 2, then 3, then 4, then all 5. Once this is done, drop this. So duplex of 1 2 3 1. Drop 1. Duplex of 1 2 3 1. Drop 1. Duplex of 1 2 3. Drop 3. Duplex of 1 2. Drop 2. Duplex of 1. So now let's have a look at how this happens in real. So now we start from here. So duplex of 4 is 4 square 16. 1 is carried forward. Now duplex of 14. 2 at a time. 4 ones are 4. Double it 8. Add this one 9. 3 1 4. 4 3s are 12. Double it 24. 1 square is 1. Add it. 24 plus 1 is 25. So we write 5 and 2 is carried. 2 3 1 4. Duplex of 2 3 1 4. 4 2s are 8. Corner to corner. Double it. This is 16. 4 2s are 8. Double it. 16. 3 1s are 3. Double it. 6. So this is 22. And this 2 means it becomes 24. So 2 carried. Now duplex of 1 2 3 1 4. 4 1s are 4. Double it. What is it? 8. 2 1s are 2. Double it. What is 4? 3 square, because this is the only one. Now we have to square it. So it is 9. 9 and 4 is 13. 13 and 8 is 21. And we have 2 here. So 21 plus 2 becomes 23. 2 carried. Now 1 2 3 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Double it. It becomes 2. 2 into 3 is 6. Double it. It becomes 12. 12 and 2 is 14. Then add this 2. It becomes 16. We have 1 carried. Now duplex of 1 2 3. 3 ones are 3. Double it. It becomes 6. Now 2 is only 1. So square it. 4. 6 and 4 is what? 10. And we have 1 carried. So it becomes 11. We write 1 for the carried forward. Duplex of 12. 2 ones are 2. Double it. It is 4. but we have to add this 1, so it becomes 4 plus 1, 5. Now duplex of 1. 1 square is 1. So this is our answer. 1, 5, 1, 6, 3, 4, 5, 9, 6. Isn't it quick, fast, efficient? So Vedic mathematics really is very powerful. And in the next video, we'll be sharing with you how to find cube using Vedic mathematics. Then we'll also share with you how to find square roots, cube roots, how to go for division and much more. So I hope that you really like our videos. Please share them as much as possible so that we reach more and more people, and it will also help our channel to grow. And please subscribe to our channel and please hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.
We really hope that you liked our video as well as gained some useful info. We will continually post more and more interesting and informative videos in the upcoming future. So, please share our videos as much as possible. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.